Now let's learn how to install the servo arms. First, connect the battery to the flight controller board. Turn on the flight controller board. After powering on, the servos will automatically return to the center position. The sound indicates that the servos have finished centering. Install the arm as close to the horizontal position as possible. Install the other arm in the same way. It's okay if the arm is installed below the horizontal line. After installing the arms, adjust their angles using the remote controller. Enter the servo arm fine adjustment mode. Use the joystick to adjust the servo arms to the horizontal position. At this point, you'll find the remote controller can no longer adjust the servo arms to the horizontal position. Remove the servo arms. Then rotate it up by 1 tooth and reinstall it. Do the same for the other side. Then use the remote controller to adjust the servo arms downward to the horizontal position. In fine adjustment mode, the arms are in the horizontal position, which is exactly what we want. Please note this point. If the remote controller can no longer adjust the angle of the arms, remove the arms, rotate them by 1 tooth, and then reinstall them. Adjust the angle of the arms using the remote controller again. Apply glue to the screw to prevent it from coming loose. Next is the wing installation method. Please note that the carbon fiber side of the wing should face upward. Then tighten the screws. Insert the LED strip into the connector. Install the other wing in the same way. This is the fully assembled state.